Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jessica J, and on this channel we do home decor videos, lifestyle videos. So if that interests you in any way, please consider subscribing. So in today's video, I'm giving you guys my top favorite items from HomeGoods. Some of these pieces I'm going to share with you guys are sold in places like Crate & Barrel, high-end places, or designer inspired. So that makes it even better, you guys. So if you see them, snatch them up. So the first item I want to show you guys is the champagne glass and this white wine glass. These are actually by the same company. It's called SCHOTT, and they actually sell these at Crate & Barrel. And I just really love the design of them. This one needs to be cleaned a little bit. ZWIESEL is a really good brand. I've had these over the past year. None have cracked or anything like that. And I want to say these are shatterproof. I know they make some that are, and they're just really good. I think I got a box of 4 for about $24.99. But yes, I still love these. And if you guys see them at your HomeGoods, snatch these up. Next item I want to talk about, and I actually took the tag off, but this is a West Elm candle. Now, over the holidays, they were getting so many of these in. So I hope that's a regular thing that's gonna happen, or maybe just ever so often they will restock their high-end candles. But this is a West Elm candle. This one's called Lake Lac. I love how minimal the packaging is, and the smell is really good. I actually picked up a bunch of these and I gave them away to my neighbors, and I added them to little goodie bags for Christmas gifts. I want to say they were about $9.99 or $14.99, but they're like double or triple the price at West Elm. So if you guys see these, pick them up. I'm telling you, they are good, and whoever you give them to will really, really appreciate it. And you can save money and give someone a really, really nice gift and not have to break the bank. Next item that I see time and time again are these busts. And what I'm noticing with HomeGoods, they're kind of recycling or restocking different style of their busts. I really love this one. This one's made with the marble. Oh, I love how I keep the prices on these. This one, it was $39.99, so it's compared to $57. And this one's made out of marble and I believe resin. And I just really love this one. It's a really good size, so it can fit in a lot of different places. Right now I have it in my bedroom next to another bust that I own, but it's just perfect. I love it. It's really heavy, such good quality, and it even has the signature of the artist. Where is it at? Okay, it doesn't have the signature, but it has the stamp of the artist's name. And I love how this kind of adds that well-traveled look. It's such a great conversation piece as well. Next item I want to talk about, and there's actually a few I want to show you guys, are these petrified wood slabs. I found this one sometime last year. This one I believe was $14.99, and then I have this one which I found recently, and this one I paid $24.99. Such a good price for this size too, and I really love the color of this one. Now you can do so many things with these petrified wood slabs. You can put candles on these. You can use them as a tray and add different decor items. The list goes on and on. They actually sell these at places like CB2. I believe West Elm has these. And I think those you can use them for like a charcuterie moment. This one has little holes through it, and it's like, don't think you really want to put food on this one. But yeah, they're such a beautiful item, and they're so affordable. On West Elm and CB2, they're like, oh, it's a little dusty. Sorry, guys. On those websites, I believe they're like $59, $79. So you see those at HomeGoods, pick them up. They are worth it. And I also got a petrified wood bowl. And I am thinking about putting a glaze on the sides because it's a little more rustic and raw, and I like how it's shiny on the inside. So I think I might add a glaze on the outside as well. But this one was $14.99. It says compared to $50. Now the bowl was something I've been trying to find forever now. These are so good. You can add these to your coffee table. You can add these to your sideboard, and they're just so gorgeous. I was looking for a bowl like this to add to my coffee table that's coming hopefully in a couple months. But they are just so beautiful, and you really can't beat the price. I was looking at other bowls like marble bowls, stuff like that, which can cost way more. Okay, the next item I want to talk about is this footed ceramic bowl right here. Now, I've only ran into these once, but I've been seeing people post them here and there over the last couple months. So hopefully if you want something like this, you can get your hands on it. But if you like something like this and you cannot find it at HomeGoods, I will be linking items down below because this is a dupe of an item that CB2 carries. I believe Crate & Barrel, Pottery Barn. But this one, obviously you're gonna save way more money. This one was $24.99, so it's compared to $40. I mean, this bowl is so gorgeous. I currently use this one as a fruit bowl in my kitchen, and I love it. I've had it for a while. It's still holding up well. No chips or anything like that. If you guys see this, I would definitely snatch this up because this is like a quarter of the price of what Pottery Barn wants. So before I was using that bowl, I was actually using this one as a fruit bowl. It's a little bit smaller, so I did want a bigger bowl. And I got this one, I was more into that modern boho vibe. I still love this bowl. I actually use this when I have company over. I'll put chips in here and I have another bowl with salsa. But they always have something like this. I just really love the footed bowl look, but they always have these. So if this is more your speed, your style, they still carry stuff like this today. Another item I want to show you guys, if you see this at HomeGoods, please snatch it up. Do yourself a favor. Let me just pull some out because I don't have the original bag, but it's moss. Falling everywhere. I love the moss that HomeGoods carries because it's the perfect color. It's like a really nice deep green color. I still have some left. I have some in this Ziploc bag, but they come in a huge bag for only $16.99. It's the perfect color. And if you buy it from anywhere else, sometimes the color's a little off or it's just really expensive. So if you see it at HomeGoods, especially right now, it's summertime, they should have a lot of it. Pick it up. All right, another favorites item that I have from HomeGoods are these coffee table books right here. This is the Alexander McQueen book, and I just really love that crocodile detail on the front. It's in this rose gold lettering, same on the sides, and this book is just absolutely beautiful. And this one I actually got recently, so you might be able to find it now. This one I believe was $39.99. And another book that I always have displayed, actually usually right behind me, is this Vogue on Location. This is a really good minimal book. I usually take the covers off, but you can leave those on. Some of them are really beautiful colors, but this is a really good book if you wanted to leave this one out on your coffee table. Beautiful pictures inside. Ooh, I may have to do like a second shot showing you guys this because I'm not doing this very well, but I really love this book, mainly for the aesthetics of the outside, but you can totally open this up and leave open for your guests to see or inspiration for yourself. It's really beautiful. One of my favorite books. And this one was, I don't know if I already mentioned it, $34.99. Another item that I absolutely love are my table lamps I have in my bedroom. I love these so much. They were only $49.99. And these are Tommy Hilfiger lamps. I did change the lampshade, and that's just an easy fix. I just switched them out because I wanted my lampshades to be white, but I absolutely love these. These can go with several different styles. My style changes. I think that these would just go perfectly, and I just love the minimal look of them. I find really good lamps from HomeGoods and save a lot of money because they can get a little expensive, let me tell you. And last but not least, my top item that I found at HomeGoods, actually almost 2 years ago, is my sideboard behind me. I absolutely love that, and that was such a find. I wanted something different, something bold, something that was gonna make a statement for my entryway, which is on the other side of me. And the entryway is kind of like in its own little area, and I really wanted something that was gonna pop. I did move it over here and it just kind of stayed, so it's here for now, but I really love this piece. It's actual real wood, solid wood. I feel like furniture pieces are a little hard to come by at HomeGoods. You have to get really lucky. And when you see it, just snatch it up or put it on hold and think about it for a little bit. But that was just one of the items that it was such a steal, you guys. And I was looking at different sideboards and they are pretty pricey. So when I came across that one, and I think that one was around $400, and it's really good size. And not to mention, solid wood once again, because I don't know, things nowadays, they're not made the best. And that item is actually made in India, so it has a little story behind it as well, which sounds, I don't know, so much cooler. All right, guys, so those were my top items that I found from HomeGoods that are just, had to just mention them again. If you guys see these pieces, please pick them up for yourselves. Pick them up for gifts. If you guys have any items that you found from HomeGoods that are just amazing, please let us know down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.